Well, hi. My name's Benjamin. I live here in Kirkwood. I live with my parents, George and Marcia. We like to get drunk together. This is my dog, Molly. She doesn't look like a dog. I live down here in the basement. I like to stare out this window and dream of a better future. Someday I'm gonna do wonderful things with my life. I have big dreams. Until that time, I'm just gonna bid you a fine farewell, and maybe I'll see you around soon. Take care. Bye.